Welcome to page 7 of your term combining packet. On this page, we'll be doing a stack and combine. If you look at problems 1 through 6, you can see we've been given two quantities to combine together. We're going to stack those quantities, making sure we line up like terms, and then combine them. Let's start with problem number 1. We're going to stack the quantities 4x plus 8 and underneath 7x plus 3. Draw a line and term combine vertically. You should get a constant of 11 and 11x's. It's a binomial, 11x plus 11. Let's move on to number 3. In number 3, you can see that we have negative x minus 10. Please insert a 1, squeeze it in there behind the negative sign and in front of the x. We're adding 3x to that first quantity. This is a monomial, and this is a binomial. When you stack it, make sure you put like terms one over the other. The 3x belongs under the negative 1x, and under the minus 10, let's put a holder, plus 0. Now it's time to term combine. We get a negative 10 for our constant, and then for our x term, a negative 1x and a positive 3x gives us 2x. Let's try another one. Let's go to problem number 6. We have a monomial, 11x, and we're going to add to it this binomial, x minus 1. Please put a 1 in front of the x. Let's stack our quantities. 11x, that's my x term, and let's put plus 0 to hold the place of the constant. Then underneath, 1x minus 1. Draw a line and term combine. We get negative 1, or a loss of 1 for our constant. 11x and 1x, well, that's 12x's. And we're done. On your own now, please try number 2, 4, and 5 when we pause the video. Make sure you put a 1 in front of that x. But before you go, and before you work on your own, let's take a look at adding 3 quantities together. Please look at the problems on the bottom of the page. For number 7, it says, find the sum of 7x plus 3, 2x plus 4, and x plus 8. Please put a 1 in front of the x. You're going to stack and combine those quantities. But I'd like to work on number 8 with you. For number 8, it says find the sum of 2x minus 2, negative 3x minus 5, and negative x plus 9. Please put a 1 just after the negative symbol. It represents a loss of 1x. And now we're going to stack like terms. 2x minus 2, we typically lead with the x term followed by the constant. Negative 3x minus 5, and negative 1x plus 9. Draw a line and combine. We have a -7, but a gain of 9. You should get a gain of 2. And when it comes to our variable terms, I like to combine the negatives first. You get a -4x, or a loss of 4 x's, and you have to combine that with a gain of 2 x's. When you find the difference, -2x. Pause the video and complete the rest of this worksheet, including number 7, right now on your own. When you're ready, turn the video back on and check your answers. Pause the video now, please. For number 2, you should have gotten -9x plus 16. For number 4, 1x plus 0, or you could also just put down 1x. For number 5, 3x minus 4. And for number 7, you should have gotten 10x plus 15. Give yourself a C. This completes page 7 of your term combining packet.